Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you display some on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. So then you click here on display and brightness, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you keep going down here, just keep going down, you click here on display zone, and here can you select here if you want to add like your text or default. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.